Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a crucial upgrade for your Dell Vostro 15 laptop, memory. Specifically, we're looking at the OWC 8GB DDR4 3200MHz SODIMM, a RAM module designed to breathe new life into your machine. If you're rocking a Dell Vostro 15, whether it's the 3500, 3510, 3520, 3530, or 3535 model, you know how important it is to keep it running smoothly. And one of the easiest and most effective ways to boost performance is by upgrading the RAM. This OWC module is a fantastic option. This isn't just any RAM, it's built to JEDEC standards, ensuring compatibility and reliability. It's also RoHS compliant, so you can be sure it's manufactured with environmentally friendly practices. OWC stands behind this product with a warranty-safe upgrade, meaning you don't have to worry about voiding your laptop's warranty by installing it. The OWC 8GB DDR4 module operates at a speedy 3200 MHz, which translates to faster loading times, smoother multitasking, and an overall more responsive system. The CL22 latency ensures that data is accessed quickly and efficiently. It runs at a low voltage of 1.2 V, which helps to conserve battery life, especially important for laptops. The 260-pin SODIMM form factor is the standard for laptops, making it a perfect fit for the Dell Vostro 15 series. OWC also offers an advanced replacement program and a limited lifetime warranty, which includes free tech support. This level of support gives you peace of mind knowing that OWC has your back if you encounter any issues. This OWC memory module is a direct replacement for Dell part numbers AA9 37595, AB174973, AA960024, and S&P 6 VDX 7C8G, making the upgrade process straightforward. Simply pop out the old module and insert the new one. In short, if you're looking for a reliable, high-performance RAM upgrade for your Dell Vostro 15, the OWC 8GB DDR4 3200MHz SODIMM is an excellent choice. It's easy to install, backed by a solid warranty, and will noticeably improve your laptop's performance.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.